Hi guys, good morning. My name is Minnie and please welcome to my channel, to my YouTube channel, Wings of Inspiration TV. How are you today? Our topic is about don't let people underestimate you. Alam mo yun, may mga taong I have a friend who is having who is pregnant today, and her employer is not really good to her kasi buntis nga siya, parang pinahihirapan siya, at yung employer niya is hindi naman nakaranas na magbuntis dahil sa ibang dahilan, kaya nag-adapt na lang sila ng bata. So ngayon, palagi niyang sinasabi, parang ina-underestimate siya ng kanyang amo dahil hindi niya maraming ginagamit na mga words ang amo niya, na mga different, mga deep words na minsan pag hindi ka wide reader o kaya pag hindi ka naman talaga palabasa, yung pag nakarinig ka ng words na yun na panibago sa pandinig mo is parang ano yun, parang mapapatanga ka. Kaya ito guys, ang advice ko sa inyo, just keep reading. Magbasa kayo ng kahit mga 2 page, 3 pages a day, 2 pages o 3 pages a day na sa palagay nyo makakatulong. Kasi ang pagbabasa is malaking tulong po yan. Meron akong ma-share sa inyo na may nabasa ako na isa siyang, he is only grade 3. Grade 3 lang ang natapos niya. Sa kagustuhan niyang matuto, nagkaroon siya ng idea na siguro nag-research siya. Yun, nagbasa siya ng nagbasa kung ilang books ang nababasa niya hanggang sa yung marami siyang natutunan, hanggang marami siyang nakuhang kaalaman sa mga books na nabasa niya. And now, meron siyang isang inimbento na I forgot kung ano yung naimbento niya yun dahil sa kanyang pagbabasa. See? Sabi niya nga, kung ang ibang tao is ina-underestimate ka, don't underestimate yourself. You are awesome. You are wonderfully created by God with gifts, with talents and abilities to create the best version of yourself. For me, kasi I was failed, I experienced pains, I experienced failures and rejection. Pero hindi po ako nagpatalo doon sa mga experiences kong yun. Bagkus inisip ko, kung ako magpapatalo sa mga naranasan kong yun, sino ang tutulong sa akin para maiangat ko ang sarili ko? Ngayon, sabi ko, kung ibang tao hindi naniniwala sa akin, may mga tao din na maniniwala sa akin. Kasi as Les Brown said that there are billions of peoples here on earth na yung iba doon, some of them, of course, they don't like you, but some of them will like you. Just focus on the people who like you. Kasi yun yung mag-i-inspired sa'yo na, oh, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. Well, ako naman kasi, para sa akin, when people underestimate me, I'll show them that I am not that kind of a person. I can do more. Even I experience, oh, at your age, you don't have to go to, you don't have to invest anything online because you are already 52. But, as long as you can be able to do it, why you stop? Right? Age is just a number. But the more you use your memory, the more it becomes sharp. Nabasa ko yan according to psychology. Kasi pagka yung memory mo is naging busy sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, nagiging sharp siya. Yeah, as my observation. But if your memory just only limited, kung halimbawa, kung ano lang yung nakikita mo araw-araw, kung ano lang yung ginagawa mo araw-araw, hanggang doon lang. So of course, yung memory mo, hindi yan mag-expand, hindi yan magiging sharp. Kasi, kumbaga, yun na lang at yun ang araw-araw na nakikita niya. But try to do something or challenge yourself na magugulat ka na lang dahil yung memory mo nagiging sharp. So, if people say you are old, no, it's fine. You have to be grateful because, you're still lucky, you're still blessed because some people don't have a chance na marating yung age mo. Right? So, just ignore what people say negative about you. Just focus on what you really want to achieve in your life. When people underestimate you, don't listen to them. Listen to yourself. Listen to what your mind and your heart tells about you. And listen to your mind or heart that you're not like that. You can do more because God given you a gift. God giving you a talent to create the best version of yourself. Don't waste it. Use it to improve yourself. Kasi may mga taong we are living in fear, takot. Takot na baka hindi maging successful or takot na what if, paano kung gano'n na naman. So, sabi nga, change the idea but not the plan. Kung hindi ka naging successful doon sa unang plan mo, you have a plan B. Palaging may backup. Kasi, hindi lahat naman na pagka sumubo ka sa isang bagay is successful ka na kaagad. Marami kang pagdadaan ng challenges bago mo makamit yung success na yan. If you don't stop, if you don't give up, your time to shine will come. So just always believe in yourself. Just trust God, keep the faith, and always be positive. Don't give up because your dreams is possible. Thank you so much for watching, and if you inspired this video, please like and subscribe or share, comment below. Thank you so much and have a great day everyone. Bye for now.